Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SOFI just 8 days ago, to be precise on March the 4th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $18.61. And at this point, my main assumption was that we've completed or almost completed the entire retracement to the downside, and we hit crucial point of potential trend reversal. And as long as the $17 mark holds, we have all the chances to see this movement to the upside, which can bring us about 28% of potential profit. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset went a little bit higher, and for now it is in consolidation phase. It didn't break the previous bottom, and it didn't break the previous top as well, which means, guys, we are still at the same point where we were previously. But at the same time, guys, I will show you more details from the fundamental standpoint, because of which this asset might go much higher. So, and as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. RWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade. But all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's begin with some fundamentals. First of all, if you type in Google search bar SOFI Stock and switch to News tab folder, you will see several recent news. And let me show you just 2 or 3 of them. You can see that on Monthly Fool it was published an article just 3 days ago, which is titled, "Could investing $10,000 in SOFI stock make you a millionaire?" And key bullets are following. SOFI added record new customer in the 4th quarter, and it has a large opportunity in monetizing its customer base. Guys, despite the fact that we have more and more bullish news for SOFI, the 100x growth for SOFI in the foreseeable future is not so possible. That is why, guys, you cannot be a millionaire with $10,000 invested in SOFI, at least at this point. On top of that, I want to pay attention to this article that was published on Yahoo Finance. And this article is also very bullish from the fundamental standpoint. It says, basically mentioned about all of the positive fundamental news that they relaunched its crypto trading platform. They have a highest level of daily active users on their platform. Galileo strengthens SOFI fintech integration and growth path, and so on and so forth. Which means, guys, fundamentally, SOFI is still moving higher and higher. The most concerning part is their PE ratio. If you click right here on financials and switch to the overview details, you can see that price to earnings ratio on a trailing 12 months period is 48.76 points. And the average for this industry is just 10. points, which means, guys, SOFI is still relatively overvalued, but it has a very high level of growth, and they are acquiring more and more customers to their platform, which means, guys, this company still has a chance to hit its all-time high levels that, well, to break this all-time high at $32.72. On top of that, guys, take a look right here. This is the list of institutional investors, the most recent activity in this list, and let me pay your attention to this chart again. It is the number of institutional investors it is not the number of institutional investors, it is number of shares which belongs to institutional investors. And despite the fact that SOFI went lower for basically for this entire year, the number of investors who hold their position strong is the highest. And the most recent activity from this list, you can see that, well, a positive number in this column means that these companies added to their position. Green rows means that these companies opened completely new positions, and red rows means that this company closed its position. And the sentiment in this list is very bullish, but you have to keep in mind that these dates are not the deal's execution dates. It is the filing dates, and the real deal happened at least 45 days prior, which means, guys, this parameter has some kind of delay. It is a lagging indicator, but it shows the sentiment from the so-called smart money investors list. On top of that, one of the most bullish news from the fundamental standpoint is the another purchase from CEO of this company, from Anthony Noto, and he bought some additional chunk of shares of SOFI just basically less than 2 weeks ago, and it is a very good sign, because the only reason why why insiders can buy their own stocks is that they believe that this company will grow much higher, and definitely it is a very good news, to be honest. On top of that, guys, the consensus analyst price target for SOFI among 15 analysts is $25.96, which is about 67% of upside potential. On top of that, guys, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deeper right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. On top of that, guys, from the technical standpoint, we also have a very good, well, potential point of trend reversal. First of all, if I zoom out to a bigger picture, you can see that this asset from its swing low that was established on August the 1st of 2024 formed just two waves out of 3 potential waves, and we hit, if I pull the FIBA retracement tool from this bottom to this top, we hit the most probable level of trend reversal. It is the golden pocket range, the range in between 0.65 and 0.618 FIBA levels. On top of that, guys, this retracement, let me show you right here, ABC correction, has a completed structure in it. We have 5 waves inside our C wave, this is this structure, and we have 5 waves inside our 5th wave, which means all the conditions are here to name this bottom as the bottom of trend reversal for this stock. On top of that, guys, the level of $17 is the good round number, relatively round number, which means it can also be a psychological level of support. On top of that, $17 is the range of resistance from previous price action, as you can see right here, from this top and this top as well, which means we have a structural support as well. On top of that, guys, let me remind you, let's switch to hourly time frame. Let me remind you that right after the downtrend has the completed structure in it, we might see 1-2 setup on the same exact smaller scale, and 1-2 setup can reach very deep retracement levels. If I pull the FIBA retracement tool from this bottom to this top, you can see that we are again in the golden pocket range, and it is not an exception if this asset goes lower to 0.786 FIB level. It is $17.33. It is a relatively common level of trend reversal as well in 1-2 setup. And if it happens, guys, if the trend reversal happens somewhere from this level, it has to break these previous swing highs at roughly $19.5. And when this happens, basically we can assume that the $23.66 is its potential next price target. But guys, if it goes slower and if it breaks this level of support, it doesn't mean that this count isn't validated. I will have to revise just one leg from this swing high to the potential lower points, but all fundamental news and all technical signs as well are still here. And on top of that, guys, on a daily time frame, we still have this bullish divergence. We have higher lows on our side with the lower lows on the price action, which means, guys, we have to see at least a bounce. And you might wonder how high this bounce might be. Let's delete unnecessary tool. Let's take a look at this in details. And if I pull Fib retracement tool at this point from this top to this bottom, you can see that this is, wait a second, it is not the scale, this is this scale. And we have to land at least at 0.236, but the most common level of bounce, so-called dead cat bounce, is 0.382, which means, guys, as long as this bottom holds, we don't need any adjustments to this tool. But if it breaks to the downside, you have to adjust this tool to the lowest point, and the price targets will be the same, 0.236 and 0.382. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed.